So students, the question is what, draw pressure volume diagram and explain the concept of positive and negative work. Because now we understood कि if I consider, listen students, suppose this is what y axis, x axis, am I right? Along x axis if I consider volume, along y axis if I consider what, pressure. Okay. Similarly over here I will consider y axis, x axis. X axis represent what, volume, and y axis represent what, pressure. Okay. Now there are two conditions. Okay. Here I am going to consider what, pressure is not constant. Here pressure is not constant because there are two conditions for the what, expansion. Pressure is not constant and here pressure is what, constant. So let me explain when pressure is what, constant first. Okay. So suppose if I consider what, pressure P. Okay. So there is a constant pressure in that particular system. Okay. The pressure is what, constant. Suppose if I take pressure is what, constant. Okay. Having some value. Let, all of you consider, let initial volume be what, V1. Okay. I will use some other marker. Let initial volume be what, V1. Okay. Of that particular system. So initial volume V1. So I will say intersection will be like this. This is the intersection of what, initial volume and a what, constant pressure. Am I right? Okay. Pressure remain constant, but volume is what, increases from V1 to what, V2. So V1 is what, initial volume. V2 is what, final volume. Everyone please look at the pura. Okay. So at volume V2, pressure same, that is what, P. Okay. So what we observe? We observe the shape is what, V1, V2, and I will say this is what, B and A. Okay. So I will say quadrilateral V1, V2, BA is a what, rectangle. Am I right? It's a rectangle because it's a perpendicular, no? This is perpendicular, this is also perpendicular, this is also perpendicular, this is also perpendicular. Am I right? This is what, rectangle. So area under this curve. What is the area under this curve? Anyone? Area under this curve is given by this portion. This area under this curve means what? This portion. Okay. So I will say here, therefore, area under the pressure volume curve is what? Nothing but area under this pressure volume curve is nothing but what? Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle V1, V2, BA. And who will tell me the formula for area of rectangle? Or area of rectangle? Length into breadth. Am I right? Yes. So who will tell me the length? Who will tell me the length? Length is what? Pressure. Am I right? This part from here to here is what, your length. And what is breadth? Who will tell me the breadth? Let me write a small l, small l. Okay. Who will find the breadth? Breadth कौन बताएगा? Who will tell me the breadth का value? What is the distance, breadth from A to B? What will this distance from A to B? Who will tell me? Yes, very good Afrin बेटा. V2 minus V1. Because यहाँ से यहाँ तक V2 है, and यहाँ से यहाँ तक कितना है students? V1. Am I right? So this distance is what? V2 minus V1. Very good. So what is the formula then? Length into breadth. Length is what? Pressure, and breadth is what? V2 minus V1. And what is V2 minus V1? We will say change in volume. So what is the formula for this? P into dV. And what is P into dV? Who will tell me? It's a work done. Am I right? Understood? So when pressure is constant, like this you can prove it. Everyone understood? Say yes or no. This is for constant pressure. Everyone got the answer? Yes, this is third question. Yeah, Munshi. Yes, very good. Now just look at the board. Now my question is what? Tell me whether this work done is positive or negative. Tell me. Because pressure is positive and definitely V2 is more than V1. Since V2 is greater than V1, therefore V2 minus V1 is greater than 0. If greater than 0, matlab what? Work done is what? Positive. Am I right? So here work done is what? Positive. Okay. So for this particular pressure, when constant and when volume increases from V1 to V2, work done is what? Positive. Students, maybe this will be boring. थोड़ा सा लगता होगा कि यार ये क्या हो रहा है थोड़ा सा. But students, is very important exam point of view because it's theoretical. Once you understand theory part, then you can write easily. Now look at the board. When pressure is not constant. When pressure is not constant, I will say initial pressure is what? P1. Okay, at this point, it is the, okay. So at this point, you will say pressure is P2. Initial volume is what? V1. Okay, and final volume is what? V2. Am I right? And area under this curve, already I explained this part in the last question. Okay, area under this curve. Okay, so I will say here V1 is in initial volume. V2 is what? Final volume. Okay, and then I will say area under the pressure volume curve. If it is not constant, pressure is not constant, it is given by what? Integration of what? Pressure into what? Volume. And volume is what? V1 to V2. And here pressure is what? Function of volume. Pressure is what? Function of volume. Okay, and this represent what? Work. And since we have to say V2 is greater than V1, therefore work for expansion is always positive. Understood everyone? Say yes or no. सबको समझा? Hope so everyone understood this